Hello children, in the previous video I had taught you writing words, writing figures and what number comes before, after and between. Now today I am going to teach you simple addition. Let me explain to you simple addition. You can see over here I have kept the cutters. How many cutters are there? 1, 2, 3. And how many cutters over here? 1, 2. So below 3 we'll write 1, 2, 3 cutters. We'll write over here 3. And your friend has given you 2 more cutters. So we'll write 2. How many cutters are there altogether? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So since we are counting them together, we have to write plus sign. Plus means we are counting them together. This plus is the sign of addition. Then equal sign means answer, and then we'll count together 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Your answer is 5. That means you have 3 cutters. Your friend has given 2 more cutters. Total how many cutters are there? 5. And we have put plus sign for counting them together. Okay. Now I'll show you one more example with this scale. How many scale is over here? 1, 2. So we'll write 2 over here. Your friend has given you 1 more scale. So we'll write 1 over here. Since we are counting them together, we'll put plus sign. Plus sign means you are counting them together. Equal sign means answer. So how many scales do you have in total? 1, 2, 3. So this is known as addition. I'll show you from the book also. You can see over here. Let's count the ice creams. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we'll write over here 6. How many ice creams over here? 1, 2. So we'll write 2 over here. Since we are counting them together, so we'll write plus sign. This is the sign for addition. Total how many ice creams are there? Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have total 8 ice creams. Okay. Now you have understood what is addition. You have already done addition with things and by drawing lines, counting with lines. Now I'll teach you how to do addition in your fingers. Now you can see in your hand there are lines drawn in your fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. In one hand you can see 15 lines are drawn in your fingers. Now with the help of these lines we'll count. Instead of drawing lines in your copy, we'll count these lines on your fingers. Now I've written some worksheet over here. With that I'll explain to you. So in your maths copy you write the heading, add the following and underline the heading. Number A, 6 plus 2 equal to dash. Equal to means you have to write the answer over here. So in 6 and 2, which is a smaller number? 2. Because 2 comes first and then comes 6. So 2 will count in our fingers. 1, 2. Hold the second line, okay? Where 2 ends, you have to hold the line. Don't move your finger. Now since 2 we have counted in our fingers, after 6 we have to count. So after 6 comes 7, 8. So your answer is 8. Okay. Number B, 3 plus 5 is equal to dash. Now which is a smaller number? 3. Because 3 comes first and then 5 comes. So 3 you have to count in your fingers. Again you count the lines. 1, 2, 3. Hold the line properly. Then 3 we have already counted in our fingers. After 5 we have to count. 6, 7, 8. Don't go forward, you have to stop over here, okay? So your answer is 8. Number C, 2 plus 2 is equal to dash. Since both are same numbers, you can count any of the number in your fingers. 2, 1, 2. Hold the line properly. Then this 2, after 2 we have to count. 3, 4. So we'll write 4 over here. Number D, 7 plus 0 is equal to dash. Now 0 means nothing. So if you add 7 to nothing, what answer will you get? 7. Number will remain same. Number E, 4 plus 1 is equal to dash. Which number is smaller? 1 is smaller because 4 comes afterwards. So 1 will count in our fingers. 1. Now after 4 we have to count. After 4 comes 5. So have you understood? Now this addition we can do vertical way also. This is straight line horizontal way, and we can do vertical way also. Same method. 7 plus 3 is equal to dash. Now which is a smaller number? 3 comes first, 7 comes afterwards. So 3 is a smaller number. 3 we have to count in our fingers. 1, 2, 3. Hold the line. Then this number we have not counted. So after 7 we will start. 8, 9, 10. You have to stop over here. So your answer is 10. 8 plus 5. Which is a smaller number? 5. Because 5 comes first and 8 comes afterwards. 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 comes afterwards. Now we'll count the smaller number in our finger. So 5 we have to count in our fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now hold this line. Don't move your hand. Now 8 we have to count. After 8 we have to count in our fingers. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. You have to stop over here. So your answer is 13. Number C, 4 plus 0 is equal to dash. Which is a smaller number? Of course 0. But when we add any number to 0, you get the same number. So 4 plus 0 is 4. Why? Because 0 means nothing. So if you add nothing to 4, you will get the same number. Now number D, 6 plus 7. Which is a smaller number? 6. Because it comes first and 7 comes afterwards. So smaller number will count in our fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold the line. Don't move your hand. Then we have already counted 6. Now this number after 7 we'll add. After 7 is 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. You have to stop over here. So your answer is 13. Then 3 plus 3. Both are same numbers. So any one number you can take. Okay. So we'll count in our fingers. 1, 2, 3. Hold the line. Then this number we have to add. So after 3 comes 4, 5, 6. So your answer is 6. Number F. 12 plus 5. Which is a smaller number? 5. Because 12 comes afterwards. So 5 will count in our fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold the line. Don't move your finger. 5 we have already counted. So we'll count this number. After 12 we have to start. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Your answer is 17. Practice in this way, counting the lines in your fingers, because you are already done counting the lines, drawing the lines and counting them. Okay, so this method you'll find it easy. Now please practice from the book, page 55, 57, 60, 63 to 68. You'll find plenty of sums over there on addition. Okay, thank you.